In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a verification code text that isn't arriving. If you're waiting for a login or security code and nothing is showing up, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can do to help trigger a fresh message and rule out common delivery problems. First, give it a full 60 seconds, then tap resend code. It can be tempting to press the button over and over right away, but that often doesn't help and can sometimes slow things down. Many systems place a short delay between requests to prevent abuse or duplicate messages. Waiting a full minute gives your mobile network and the service enough time to process the original request before you ask for another one. After that, tap resend code once and then watch for the new text message to come through. If the code still doesn't arrive, check your phone's spam or blocked caller settings for shortcodes. Verification texts are often sent from very short numbers rather than regular phone numbers, and some devices or carrier settings may treat those messages differently. Open your phone settings or messaging app settings and look for anything related to blocked numbers, spam filtering, or blocked shortcodes. If shortcodes are being filtered or blocked, that can prevent the code from ever appearing in your inbox. Adjusting that setting can make a big difference, especially if you've enabled spam protection in the past and forgotten about it. Next, restart your phone to clear the cellular network cache. This is a quick step, but it's surprisingly effective. Restarting helps refresh your phone's connection to the mobile network, clears temporary communication issues, and can fix small glitches that interfere with incoming texts. Once your phone powers back on, make sure it reconnects to your cellular network properly. Then try requesting the code again. If your signal is weak, it may also help to move to an area with better reception before trying once more. Finally, switch from the mobile app to a desktop browser or the other way around to trigger a fresh text. Sometimes the issue is tied to the session you're currently using rather than your phone itself. Opening the same service in a different environment can force a new verification attempt and generate a new message. If you were requesting the code in the app, try signing in from a desktop browser.